Get on in here. Like, share, subscribe, share. Do something, tell your uncle. I ain't been on a minute yet. I ain't been on a minute yet. It's all, uh-oh. Oh, this is my boy. Okay. Look out, y'all. We out here live at the hood track, man. About to give y'all some action. Come up with a couple of jokes to tell y'all. Let y'all know what's going on today, this week, last week, whatever. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, tell your uncle now. Get on in here. Oh, I done left my cards. Casey Kite up in here. Tino. Vista Light as usual. Jet Black. Edward Navarez. We got Navarez. Hey, Navarez. Have you been on Lookout Racing's YouTube channel? See, my friend. Mi dile mi tío. Mi dile mi tío. Hey, they cleaning up the oil spill over here, y'all. They getting that oil spill cleaned up. It's an oil spill over there. There's nothing like, baby. Boy, that song jamming, boy. Gave you love. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you all of mine. Gave you love. Boy, that mug, I was jamming that mug. You gotta get your, I keep crying. Hey, what? I keep trying. Boy. There's nothing like. Okay, we got that CTSV. I just made a video. Is that same one with the nitrous express? Oh no, that's another one. Or is this him? Oh no, this is him. I remember he needed a ring. Let's see if he fixed that. It was this side, y'all. It wasn't. This side wasn't spinning last time. I remember he had that big old cam. God damn. Like that. Yeah, he like that. Look out, look out. Here I come. Yeah, he like that. Look out, look out. Hey, hey. He still ain't fixed that light. That light was out on my last video. That's a good picture. Okay. Hey, buddy, he popped a piece of fire like a freaking firecracker, dude. Yeah, man. That thing freaking hauled ass. I saw it on a freaking previous YouTube video. And they freaking added a Nitrix Express kit on it. And I freaking loved it. I freaking loved it. Hey. Uh-oh.
Yeah, man. That thing is the loudest Cadillac in Fort Worth.
Yeah, we got the loudest Cadillac.
Grand Prairie, wherever we're at.
We got the Stone Vet up in here, y'all. We got the Stone Vet, y'all. One day he got stoned. He got so stoned he thought he had a Vet, but it was a Subaru. Oh, shit. That's how he got his name, y'all. Yeah. He thought he got so stoned, man, on that good OG. He was on that good OG gas. Yep. And they just said, he was listening to that song, Gas What I Smoke. Oh, what's up with it, Limpy? Hey, man, we got Limpy in the house, man. Look out, look out. Hey, I got hey, Limpy, I want you to drive my car, bro. I want you to drive my car, Limpy. The Caprice. And put it in one of them classes, and you drive. It's already Limpy approved. You can check it out. Yeah, I want Limpy to drive my car. We got it. I'm gonna set it up for the 7-0 class for you.
Okay.
You gonna be in the 7-0 class. Yeah, we got the retune and everything already in there, ready for the 7-0 class.
It's running good. I rode it. I haven't even rode it with the new tune yet, though.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I got a new tune. Oh yeah, I ain't on TikTok yet. I'm about to get on there right now.
Live on YouTube right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's on YouTube. Look, pull up my stream, fuck it. Pull up everybody's shit.
Hell yeah. Boy, Limp, I want to see him leave on the light on that bitch. Ooh. He'll Limp and leave. Yoshi coming up. Okay.